Now, with that said, Prince, what else can we see that's going to make that I can shape my portfolio to make me some money? Here we go, right here. Notice in the beginning of the pandemic what happened. What happened after we had a Trump presidency? What happened when we had civil unrest? Guns. Who remember guns? Gun stocks. Everybody went out and brought guns, and most important than buying guns, they had a shortage of ammunition. I've had friends that went out and brought guns with no ammunition. So I can see a massive jump in gun stocks and ammunition. As people, some people, you got to think about it. Trump has earned millions and millions of votes, and people believe that if we have a President Biden win, we're going to see a lot of gun fever that people will start to take on. People will start to buy more ammo. People will start to buy more guns. And as gun stocks go up, you're going to see ammunition stocks. So some of the big names, you have Smith& Wesson. You have stock symbols like POW, POWW is an ammunition company versus OLN, which is also an ammunition company. These are ammunition company and guns I can see becoming very popular if we have a change of the guards, because some people will feel as though we had a lot of civil unrest, and with that civil unrest, or even if we have a Trump win, some people become scared, and I think that more people fear and greed. Their fear will start to set in to say, "Hey, I need to buy more guns. I need to get more ammunition." Things like that. So you got to be very careful out there. You're going to see a lot of gun fever going on. So you can add, or you can look to seek to add something like gun stocks and ammunition. More importantly, what good is a gun without ammunition? Ammunition is more important than guns. Like the comedian Chris Rock said, he said, if you want to slow down violence and people shooting guns, just raise the price of ammunition. If one bullet costs $100, I guarantee you will slow down the amount of people shooting guns, because people will they will think twice about shooting that gun because they know how much your ammunition costs. But look out for ammunition. Look out for gun stocks to also be a big factor. Ladies and gentlemen, you can notice, as you can notice throughout